So hi guys, here comes my DevFest 2021 goodies. So this year also it's been a virtual event, just like previous year because of the pandemic. But the session went really very good. It was a 3 day event, and there were topics like ML, Web, Flutter, Firebase, Android, and you know it was very really good. And during 3 days event we had quizzes where they have announced us some goodies, and for the top five contestants whoever won the quiz, they told they are gonna give us Google Minis. So here comes my Dayfest 2021 goodies which has been arrived. So let's just quickly do the unboxing. So the packaging is really very good, and the logo, it's really very, it feels very special. I did not expect it to be so cute. The box is really cute. Let's see what's inside it. So yes, I have something like this. So they put everything in this. Let's see. So first comes the t-shirt. This is same for all the contestants, whoever participated in the quiz and won in the quiz. Everybody is gonna get the DevFest t-shirt. And another surprising thing is my Google Mini. Yes, there was 3 days, as I told. There was 3 days event, and I won in one of the session. For one of the session, I won among like top five. I was among top five. In fact, to say I was on top one. So I got this Google Nest Mini. It's really cute. I'm really excited. I really love this. I did not think actually they're gonna give us, but yes, as promised, they first has sent us this thing. Thank you, Google. Thank you so much. And yes, then it comes this. There's this batches, cute little batches. It's very nice. Let me open it. Oops. So there are gonna be additional things on my laptop. I miss offline events, but yeah, online events are also good if you're gonna get something like this. This is JFirst 2021, Google Cloud one, and this is Kotlin one, TensorFlow, Google Developers, Android, Google Cloud, and then comes Flutter, the hero. Yes, all the things. Thank you, DevFest India. And next thing is the most surprising thing. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, it's tough. It's the most surprising thing that they have unboxed and kept into it. Let me just see it, okay? It's a bit tough to take. So it's very nicely packed. And yes, see what's inside it. Yeah, I guess it be. Oh, you guys know what it is. Dun 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 dun. DevFest 2021 bottle. Nice one. Really nice. Very cool. It's customized. Okay. It's a zipper. Stay hydrated, guys. Okay. This is this thing. And as let me unbox this one. This looks so quite exciting for me. I really don't want to unbox it, but I'm equally excited to see my Google Mini. So cute. Okay, here comes. So are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. I haven't seen it. Wow. Thank you, Google. It's so cute. See it here. Wow, it's so cute. See it over here. Nice, thank you. Okay, we have something else. The adapter also is there. Wow. Here comes the surprise list. Oh, I have an instruction guide too. Wow, it's very nice. Thank you, Google. Thank you so much. So, guys, here is the goodies that I've received from DevFest 2021. So there are like a lot of groups that have been part of DevFest 2021 who have come close enough to organize such a big event. It was really a very good event, very successful. So thanks to all the organizers who have organized so well. Thanks to all the speakers, mentors who has taught us so many good things. I have really learned, I got a lot of information. We even got tips on how to build resume, how to switch jobs, and there were a lot of opportunities as well during those 3-day event. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video.